Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing a review of the products that I received from One Day Saving. As I told you, I would always let you know if these products are received free, and these are free products from One Day Savings, and this is one of the videos that I agreed to make regarding the products that I received. So the first product that I'm going to look at are the stitch markers. They are made of plastic. They are actually pretty smooth. They clip rather nicely and pretty strong. So I really like these and I definitely will use them. The next one is the hooks. They're little, like the ends have little pieces of plastic. They're pretty flexible. You can probably just clean off the ends by using a nail file to make them more smooth. You can see where they fit in my hand. I do like the flexibility. I haven't used handles like that, and you can see where it hits in my hand, which is very important for some crocheters. The next is the bamboo yarn that was sent. I don't see any details about it, but it was listed as bamboo. So let's use this new hook and make a chain with the yarn. It is very thin yarn. It glides nicely through, and it actually looks pretty nice. One of the things that it had mentioned is that there are 6 strands of it. So in my typical yarn reviews, I always tear it apart and see if it has that many strands and how the strands look. And I did, and there are 6 strands. And like I said, just a very thin yarn. The next thing is a pom-pom maker. I don't use these, so please bear with me. I thought I'd give them a try. I use toilet paper roll, but they come apart nicely. And I'm going to give a try to make the pom-pom maker here. I did follow the instructions on the back. They were a little confusing, but I figured it out. So the first thing is to open up those 2 clips on one side, and you're going to put your yarn over and go all the way to the other end. The thicker you want your pom-pom, or the more full, the more you would go back and forth. So I just finished up the other side. I did not do this for a very large pom. I just did it for demonstration purposes. And I cut off the yarn, and you can see it is all wrapped in there. And I'm going to take my scissors, just as the instructions say, and cut down that opening where the yarn is, and it all just kind of pops open. So after I complete both sides, the instructions say to tie off the middle. So I'm going to do that. The one thing that I do know about making poms is tying off that center string is like one of the most important things. You want it super duper tight, otherwise all your little pom strands fall out. So here's my strand, and I'm going right in that grooved opening, and it goes in nicely. And I'm going to tie this off. Like I said, from making poms in the past, this is the most important part. Otherwise, everything just falls apart. And it is relatively easy to get it right into that groove. And we're going to tie it up. So once it's all tied in there tight, we're going to open up these 2 levered sides. So they open up really easy. They don't clip in. They just kind of lay in. So they are very smooth opening. And then the next piece of this, according to the instructions, is to take the unit apart. So this is a little snug, but my guess is you probably want it a little snug. But it does come apart. So I just kind of wiggled it here a little bit. I didn't want to get too aggressive. And it did. And there is your pom-pom. So the instructions then tell you to trim off all the excess edges of the little strands so that they're all nice and even. I'm not going to do that all the way. One thing I do with poms is I like to shake them to see if they fall apart before I put them on any of my products. So there, good shake, and it didn't fall apart. And I want to thank you for stopping by. I did enjoy reviewing these products from One Day Saving. The links are below, discount link below. As always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care. And don't forget to check my other channels and my website. I'm starting to post some things out there, including a blog of things to do in your free time. Take care, all.